Hello everyone, welcome to Glamorous with Tips. So today I am back with another YouTube video which is upon skincare regime, and this is the best time to pamper your skin as it's lockdown outside and we are stuck in our house. So hardly we'll get any better time to pamper our skins in normal times because we generally don't get so much time to stay at home and so much free time. And these products I'm going to use are all DIY products because I basically rely upon them more than products bought from outside, because no matter how costly products you purchase, they contains at least a little bit amount of chemicals which are not good for our skin. So I use the products lying in my kitchen mainly. So today's video is going to be upon that, and first I'm going to scrub my face with a DIY scrubber my skin. So let's start with the video. So for the scrubber, I'm going to take 1 spoon of castor sugar. You can also use normal sugar if you want to. So 1 spoon of castor sugar, and then comes coffee. So any brand of coffee will do, and since coffee contains caffeine and it's very good for detoxifying our skin, so 1 spoon of caffeine. So 1 spoon of coffee, as you can see. You can also take 2 spoons if you require that. So I'll take 1 spoon of coffee, and then I'll mix everything with coconut oil. So any brand of coconut oil will do, plain coconut oil, not the scented ones. And then comes honey, and honey is very necessary for soothing our skin, and it gently exfoliates our skin. So it is basically a face scrub, but if you are going to use on body, then this is also fine, and for body you can also add a little bit of lemon or lime. So coconut oil, and you can mix everything either with your finger after sanitizing your fingers, or you can mix it with a wooden spoon. So I'll take 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So this is basically a face scrub, but just to remind you that scrubbing is not good for our skin every day. So basically try to do it once or twice a week maximum. But since now we are staying at home only, so once in a week I think will be fine. So I'll just use my finger to mix everything. So as you can see, my scrub is almost ready. So this will be the consistency because it's a scrub, and things needs to massage your skin really nice. So now the last ingredient will be honey. So it's basically 4 ingredients: coconut oil, coffee, and honey, and castor sugar. So now I'll use 1 tablespoon of honey, and I think that will be more than enough. And honey is very good for our skin in both winters as well as summers, especially for very sensitive skins like mine. So 1 tablespoon of honey, and we are good to go with the scrub. So my scrub is ready after mixing everything together. So now I'll just put it on my face. I have already washed my face with my soap, and now it's clean. And make sure before applying any face mask or scrub, your skin should be clean first. Otherwise some people just put it on the skin and then washes it, and that is not the right way. This is the right way to clean the face first and then apply any kind of DIY products or moisturizer, anything as such. So I'll now put it on my face and show the result immediately. So now it's ready, and I'll just put it on my face. And make sure it is scrambled, because these things are used for scrubbing. otherwise it won't serve the purpose. Also, I hope you can see well my normal skin, as I'm not using any makeup right now, and make sure all the makeup is removed before applying any kind of skincare products, otherwise it won't work. And I'm shooting my videos, I generally shoot my videos in broad daylight so that everything can be seen clearly. Like this, gently scrub your face, but do it gentle hand, otherwise the scrub may cause breakouts. So you can also wet your face a little bit before applying this, but since it contains coconut oil already, so I didn't think it's necessary to wet the face, but if you want to, you can. Especially scrub the folds of our face, like the corners and under the lips where dead skin cells are mostly hiding. You can keep the scrub for 2 minutes and then wash it off. And also, just for a recommendation, don't do scrubbing, cleansing and these things together in one day, especially for oily or sensitive skin people, because it can cause breakouts. I'm doing this because I wanted to show you the entire regime, but generally I don't do everything in one day. So now I am done with scrubbing my entire face. I'll just keep it for 2 minutes and then wash it off and then show you the results, and then we'll start with face mask. So I'm back after washing my face, and trust me, it feels so soft and supple. As you can see the result just in. And my next, which is a face mask, it contains tomato and curd, plain curd. So I'm going to mix this two in a blender and then show you the paste. And just cut the tomatoes. Tomato we all have in our kitchen, just cut it into pieces, and don't forget to eliminate the seeds, because those are not good for your skin. And always use plain yogurt. So let's try this also. So this is the consistency of the paste, and it's a little bit runny because my tomato was a little bit small, you know. You can make it a little bit thicker by adding less curd. So we'll now apply it on clean face, just like this. And after applying, I'll keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off, and then we'll move on to toning and soothing. Don't forget the neck area, because we don't want our neck to look different from our face. And remember, tomato is a very good a great tan removal. Even if you rub raw tomato after eliminating the seeds on your face, that is also fine, because it's a great tan removal for both face as well as for body. So I have applied it all over my face and my neck and also my elbows, because tomato is a great tan removal, as I said, and it's very good for black elbows and knees if you have any. So at least try to apply this face pack or mask at least twice a week for best results, and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes is enough for it to dry, and then wash it off and then move on with your toning. Hi, so I'm back after taking a nice shower, and it's time for toning. So I'll use a cotton pad, clean one, and also rose water toner. So you can use any rose water toner or even cucumber toners, but I use this. So we'll take a little bit amount on the cotton pad. And this toning part you can do every day. I hope you all know. Toning, soothing and face mask can be done almost every day. So Slowly dab around my face. Remember not to rub any toner on your face. So I'll slightly dab it. Always remember while skincare, doing this skincare regime, always remember to relax, and as much as you relax, then your skin absorbs everything properly. So you can see I'm doing this very slowly and taking my time. So take your time and do everything slowly so that your skin can enjoy the skincare regime. Also use this over your eyes and it's very soothing. So try to use a toner which is soothing, and this rose water or cucumber water toners can also be made at home. So there are DIY toners as well. If you want, you can make at home, and homemade products, as I said, are always best to use. So after this toning, I'll move to soothing part, and for that I'll use aloe vera gel by Patanjali. And I would prefer, if you have aloe vera plant at home, you can use the real aloe vera jelly, which is always better than purchased products. And after soothing, you can also do moisturizing, but since I have already used coconut oil in the scrubber and my skin is already very oily, so I won't use moisturizer. But if you feel you require, then you can use moisturizer as well. So this is the gel that I'm going to use for soothing my skin. So a little bit of it. This much is fine. I'll quickly dot it around my face. And neck. And gently rub it around my face. Because of so much tugging and pulling, your skin might get irritated. So after this soothing, so that's why the soothing is very important. So after this soothing, your skin feels much better and relaxed. So it is very important step before moisturizing. Now you can see this is the final outcome of whatever I have done today, as my skin and my face is looking so much rejuvenated and clear, and it's almost glowing. So this is the result I am showing you. Always remember, the best makeup base is a clear skin. So you should concentrate on skincare more than makeup, as now we are not going outside unless it's very much emergency. We are mostly staying at home. So skincare regime is very necessary for a nice makeup look, because hiding everything doesn't make any sense, and a healthy skin is very necessary and all of our favorites. So this is a completely DIY regime which everyone can afford, I think, and it's very much easy. So until my next video, it's a wrap up for today. So goodbye, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy, and do like, subscribe and like my channel if you have liked my video.